combination of fundamental derived positions are, so we are going to see about the lying, kneeling and hanging positions. So the first one is the lying. So for this, the subject are made to lie on the couch or on the floor with a comfortable position, and this position is mainly, it is most comfortable and it is convenient for the subject to maintain it for a longer period. So you have different types in lying, like prone lying, half lying, crook lying and side lying. So first one we are going to see about the prone lying. So for this, you will make the subject to lie on a prone position in which the total body are kept relaxed and only the head it is turned on one side. So this position, it cannot be maintained for the people who have the respiratory distress or the elderly people, and it cannot be maintained for a prolonged period. So this position is mainly, it is used to perform the stretching over the spinal extensor muscles and neck extensor muscles, and it promotes the relaxation and it can be perform the back massage. So the next position is the half lying. So for this, it is same like the supine lying, but only the upper portion it is kept lifted and inclined forward. So this position is mainly used to perform the breathing exercises, postural drainage, phrenical exercises, and many of the upper limb and lower limb exercises can be performed. So the next position is the crook lying. So in which it is same like the crook sitting, in which the hip and knee are flexed and the foot it is placed forward while lying on the couch. So this position is mainly used to perform the abdominal strengthening exercises and pelvic bridging exercises can be performed. So the next position is the side lying, so in which the subject are made to lie on one side. So this position is most of the people will have the inconvenience to maintain it for a longer period, because sometimes the weight will be transmitted on the same side of the lying position. So this position is mainly used to perform the breathing exercises, postural drainage, the upper limb and lower limb exercises can be performed. So the next position is the kneeling. So in kneeling, the weight is transmitted on both the sides of the knee. So it cannot be maintained for a longer period due to the right angle alignment of the knee. So in which the base of support is increased and COG it falls down. So you have different types in kneeling, like half kneeling, kneel sitting and prone kneeling. So the first we are going to see about the half kneeling. So in half kneeling, the weight is transmitted on one side of the knee, and the other side of the knee and hip it is flexed 90 degree, and the foot it is placed on the couch. So this position is mainly used to perform the mat activities, and it can be used to perform the balance and coordination exercises. So the next position is the kneel sitting. So for this, the subject were asked to sit on the heel in which the hip and knee are flexed. So this position is mainly used to perform the stretching and strengthening to the hip and knee muscles. So the next one is the prone kneeling. So this position is otherwise known as the quadruped or the animal position, in which the trunk it is kept forward, okay, it is lifted forward, and the whole upper limb it is placed on the floor. So this position is mainly used to perform the mat activities, and cat camel exercises can be performed. So the next position we are going to see about the hanging. So in which the total body is suspended by grasping the horizontal bar with the hand. So in which the shoulder it is kept flexed, adducted and medially rotated. The elbows are kept extended and fingers are kept flexed by grasping the rod. So this hanging it can be used to perform the total body swinging movements, body building exercises and upper limb strengthening exercises can be performed. So you have the another type in hanging, that is half hanging. So in which it is same like the hanging portion, but the hanging is done with the one side upper limb support. So this portion is mainly used for the gymnastic people who do the bodybuilding exercises, and strengthening, the advanced strengthening program exercises can be performed. Thank you.